Hey everyone, today we'll be drawing a beautiful butterfly. You will need a drawing pad, Texta Zoom Twist crayons, and Texta Nylorite colouring markers, and that's it. So we start with the centre of the butterfly, and it's a bit of an oval shape. The hardest part of a butterfly is the wings and trying to get them even, but we'll do what we can. So I'm going to use a bit of a love heart shape for the top wing, and we'll try really hard to get that the same the other side, but don't worry too much if it's not. We can just say that the butterfly is flapping its wings. And then they've got two sets of wings on both sides. So there's the general outline of your butterfly. Now for the fun part, you get to add all your different colours. So remember, whatever you do on one side, you do on the other side. So I might put a big spot over here, a spot over here, spot over here, spot over here, and maybe this sort of shape over here. To do some little details in between. A spot here and here. Now for the fun part, colouring in. So now I've got white space all around here, so we want to fill it in with a colour. I like to use black because it highlights all the beautiful colours that you've used around here. But you can choose whatever colour you like. Okay, that's a lot of colouring, but awesome job on getting that done. So now we've got to do the middle of the butterfly. Generally they're black, but you can do whatever colour you want to do. I'm going to add a little face on him because he's a bit cute, this little guy. He's going to be a happy butterfly. And don't forget, they've got feelers as well. So we'll go around his body in black. But you can do whatever colour you want for him. Dark blue. Awesome, and that's how you do a really simple butterfly using Texta Nylorite colouring markers and Texta Zoom Twist crayons. If you want to see more cool videos, like and subscribe, or leave a comment and let us know what you'd like to see next.